What's up, guys? We are in the ISF, and as you can read from the title, we're going to be trying to fix the rattling on the brake pads. So I got these pads, like I think they were Power Stop or something pads and rotors from Rock Auto. Brought it to a shop to get it replaced, and then ever since then I think they use like the aftermarket hardware. So the pads are, I don't know, they're seated properly, but there's some play in between the pads and the rotors. So all over bumps and stuff, they'll start rattling, and it's like super annoying to drive the ISF. So stop procrastinating, and finally got some hardware off of eBay. We're just gonna switch those out and see if they make a difference. Warning on the dashboard for the TPMS. I switched out these wheels with these Advanti black ones that are on the car now, but forgot to record the IDs on them so I could program it in TechStream. So yeah, got installed and then just never had the desire to get them reprogrammed. So that's why they're warning on the dash. But let me see if I can show you the sound of these brake pads. I don't know if you can hear it. It does. We are back after a couple days. It took a long time because I actually lost the socket that would fit this lug nut. So majority of the time was just waiting on buying the right socket. I bought like 3 different size sockets and they didn't fit, like the 7 spline sockets or whatever. So I ended up just buying this whole kit, and what worked was this 7 spline 11/16 socket. So I'm gonna get the car jacked up, loosen the lug nuts, and then I can start jamming on those brakes. So grabbed this brake hardware kit off of eBay, so hopefully that will make things quieter. Basically just all the clips and the pins.
Down. Fuck it.
Stuff like that. Hopefully it's more tighter than what's on there now. We're just gonna bang out these 2 pins right here. I don't know what they're called, just once you take out one, it should release this tension on this clip. And take off this thing as well. Right, for this thing, it goes in this way. 13mm bolt on the back, and I just kind of like pushed it out. So I feel like this is the noise it's making. That's what it sounds like over bumps. It's gotta be it. I'm gonna switch out the hardware and see if that makes a difference. So I just re-greased the pads, and then gonna put everything back. Hopefully, I'm gonna use these new pins. Hopefully that'll make a difference. I doubt it, but I mean, other than these being way longer than the ones that were on the car, I don't see that much of a difference. I mean, there's no play in it now, but I mean, what else can I do? Just gonna try the other side and hopefully hope for the best. Already all done, all put together, all torqued, and then just get it on the ground, see how it does. Doubt it's gonna do anything. The only thing else I think it could be is I put like hub-centric rings on the car to be able to fit these wheels. I think that's might be the only thing. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna take them off these wheels, put on the OEM wheels, and then see what happens. And right off the bat, there's no noise, but we'll see. Oh yeah, there's a bit of noise now. I mean, there's definitely not as much noise as before, but there's still a bit of noise. Whether it's because like I just greased them up, like lubed up the wheels, I mean the pads, or not, but I don't know. Yeah, there's still some noise, but not as loud as before. Yeah, because before was like actually crazy. Like over every bump was a noise, but yeah, now it's relatively quiet compared to, yeah, I think it's fixed. So yeah, all done. Finally, I've been dealing with that brake pad rattling issue for like a year now. So I finally stopped procrastinating, bought the kit, and fixed all those rattling. But yeah, until next time, see you guys later. Peace.